At the heart of Silicon Valley, San José State University's Master of Science in Applied Data Intelligence prepares you for today's most in-demand tech careers. Hello, my name is Vishnu Pendiala. I have spent over 20 years working in the software industry at Silicon Valley and now teach courses in applied data intelligence such as machine learning, big data technologies, and data warehouse. Our curriculum blends theoretical foundations with hands-on practice. You will learn programming in Python and R, work with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, and gain experience using real-world datasets. These fields are rapidly evolving. That's why my courses are fast-paced. I use flipped classrooms, encourage research presentations, and guide students through real-world projects using artificial intelligence tools. SJSU students don't just learn. Many contribute to award-winning research in AI, fairness in algorithms, and exciting applications. SJSU's strategic location gives you unmatched proximity to some of the world's top companies. Graduates of the MS in Applied Data Intelligence program have gone on to careers at Meta, Lyft, Moody's Analytics, Ernst & Young, and many more. Over 140 companies in the region have hired our students. If you are ready to future-proof your career in data science and applied data intelligence, there's no better place to start than San José State University.